5. Money-making business opportunities with drones. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture images, gather data, and conduct various tasks across industries. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become increasingly popular due to their versatility, affordability, and advanced capabilities. For aspiring entrepreneurs, drones present a unique opportunity to start profitable businesses in a range of sectors. One of the most promising areas for drone-based businesses is aerial photography and videography services. Another lucrative business avenue is drone inspection services. Mapping and surveying is yet another field where drones are making a significant impact. In the agricultural sector, drones have emerged as game changers for precision farming. Lastly, the growing interest in drone piloting has created a demand for drone training and education. Aerial photography and videography services. The demand for professional aerial photography and videography services has skyrocketed in recent years. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras have made it easier than ever to capture stunning aerial shots for various purposes. Real estate agencies rely on aerial imagery to showcase properties from unique perspectives, while event organizers seek dynamic footage to create captivating experiences. Marketing campaigns also benefit from the visual appeal and versatility that drones offer. Entrepreneurs can tap into this growing market by starting businesses that provide top-notch aerial photography and videography services, catering to the needs of clients who value high-quality, eye-catching visuals. Drone inspection services. Drone inspection services have revolutionized the way infrastructure inspections are conducted. Drones equipped with advanced imaging technology can access hard-to-reach areas and capture high-resolution images or videos for inspection purposes. This eliminates the need for costly and time-consuming traditional inspection methods. From buildings and bridges to power lines and pipelines, drones offer a safer, more efficient, and cost-effective solution. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this growing demand by establishing drone inspection businesses, providing clients with accurate and detailed visual data for maintenance, safety assessments, and quality control. Drone inspections are transforming industries by enhancing efficiency, reducing risks, and saving valuable resources. Mapping and surveying. Drones have revolutionized the field of mapping and surveying, offering unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. With their ability to quickly capture aerial data and generate detailed maps or 3D models, drones have become indispensable tools for construction companies, land surveyors, and urban planners. They can cover large areas in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods, while providing highly accurate and up-to-date information. Entrepreneurs can tap into this market by offering drone-based mapping and surveying services, helping clients streamline their projects, make informed decisions, and improve overall productivity in industries ranging from construction to urban development. Agricultural services. Drones have transformed the agricultural industry by providing valuable services for precision farming. Equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, drones offer farmers the ability to monitor crops, identify areas of concern, and optimize their operations. Aerial imagery and data collected by drones enable farmers to make informed decisions regarding irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, leading to increased yields and reduced costs. Drones can also be used for aerial spraying, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing the use of chemicals. Entrepreneurs can seize the opportunity by offering drone-based agricultural services, helping farmers harness the power of technology to improve efficiency, sustainability, and profitability in their operations. Drone training and education. As the popularity of drones continues to soar, the need for comprehensive drone training and education has become paramount. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this demand by offering specialized drone training programs and educational courses. These programs can cover a wide range of topics, including drone piloting skills, safety regulations, aerial photography techniques, and advanced applications such as mapping and inspection. By providing aspiring drone enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals with the knowledge and skills they need, entrepreneurs can empower individuals to navigate the drone industry confidently and responsibly. Drone training and education services play a crucial role in fostering a skilled workforce and promoting safe and ethical drone operations. The world of drones has opened up a plethora of opportunities across various industries. From aerial photography and videography services, to drone inspection, mapping, and surveying agricultural services, And drone training and education, entrepreneurs can tap into these emerging markets and carve out successful ventures. The advancements in drone technology have revolutionized the way businesses operate and have provided innovative solutions to age-old challenges. Drones offer unparalleled access to hard-to-reach areas, provide high-resolution imagery, and collect valuable data, enabling businesses to make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. Entrepreneurs venturing into the drone industry must recognize the importance of staying up to date with regulations and safety protocols. By prioritizing safety and responsible drone operations, businesses can build trust with clients and establish themselves as reliable service providers. Moreover, the role of education and training cannot be overstated. Offering comprehensive drone training programs equips individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to navigate the drone industry effectively. By empowering enthusiasts and professionals alike, entrepreneurs contribute to the growth and development of a skilled workforce, ensuring the responsible and ethical use of drones. As the demand for drone services continues to rise, entrepreneurs who embrace this technology and provide exceptional services will have a competitive edge. By leveraging the power of drones, businesses can unlock new possibilities, enhance productivity, and create unique experiences for their clients. Entrepreneurs who embrace the potential of drones and adapt to the changing needs of their clients will thrive. The future of the drone industry is bright, and those who seize the opportunities it presents will be at the forefront of innovation and success. Don't miss out, like and subscribe to our page for more exciting drone content.